Maharashtra Premier League Season 2, it's the eliminator today. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers will take on the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings.
CSK winning the toss in the eliminator and they'll be looking to bowl first.
Yesterday, we had the first qualifier. The defending champions, Ratnagiri Jets, did well. They beat the Eagle Nashik Titans. They are straight through to the grand finale. But Eagle Nashik Titans will get another chance tomorrow in the second qualifier.
ये है कोल्हापुर की टीम.
अंकित बावने, हर्ष सांघवी, राहुल त्रिपाठी, captain Sachin Das. What does Murtaza Trunkwala have in store? Oh, he's coming in again as an opener along with Om Bhosle, Onkar Khatpe, Digvijay Patil.
Ankit Bhavne, 316 runs this season. It's 53 runs this season for Harsh.
Pranav Singh played 11 matches, 7 wickets.
This time he connects and connects really well. The first 6 of the eliminator. Ankit Bhavne starts in great style. The first ball, square cut. Inside edge. And it will run into the fence for a boundary. Brilliant batting. That's the kind of form that Ankit Bhavne is in.
ये बोल्ड हिम बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश कब की है? कोशिश कर रहे थे अक्रॉस द लाइन खेलने की और यहाँ पर बोल्ड हो गए हर्ष सांघवी.
Harsh Sanghvi out for 11. Rahul Tripathi, the captain, leading from the front.
जो शॉट, oh what a shot, अंकित बावने. Brilliant shot.
And that's an appeal given out. That's a big wicket. The wicket of the man in form, Ankit Bhavne.
अंकित बावने ने 22 बनाए 15 गेंदों में.
Sachin Das has walked out to bat a best of 46.
ये गेंद, ओहो, what a catch. ये बढ़िया गेंदबाजी. Outstanding cricket. नावले ने बेहतरीन कैच लिया ये. ड्रीम कैच विकेट कीपर का. What a catch. Outstanding.
Sachin Das out without opening his account. And now it is Siddharth Mhatre as the impact sub. There goes Rahul Tripathi. Comes down the track, counter attack, maybe last over of the power play. The runs are going to be crucial now. He loves doing that. There we go. Some creativity. A chance. Pranay Singh just got himself into an awkward position there.
He's gone for some runs. Oh, and opportunity gone. और ये जले पे नमक छिड़कने वाली बात थी. उससे अगली बॉल पर बाउंड्री.
Oh, clean striking. You cannot give a life to a batter like Rahul Tripathi. 4 boundaries in this over now. Again moves in the crease. Chance again. Gone. Rahul Tripathi dismissed. Digvijay does not make any mistake. So that is the big one. Bhangwani is happy. Pranay Singh is even more happier. Rahul Tripathi dismissed.
Tripathi gone for 16. It's 54 for 4.
In comes Aniket Porwal, who generally is an opener for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. Into sweep with that lap and has enough bat on that. Rajwardhan Angargekar, good attempt, but can't stop that boundary. Swept away, good sound and in the gap. Good striking this by Siddharth Mhatre.
They've done a really good job and those shots are definitely going to help you. That boundary will help you.
Nicely played this one over the field for a 6.
Outside edge and the plan works. They were looking to break this partnership, brought back the man who's been bowling really well. 2 wickets prior to this one and he's done exactly what was asked for him. Aniket Porwal departs for 11. It's 105 for 5.
102.6 the strike rate this season for Shrikant Munde. Top edge fielder Oh, it will clear the field. It looked like at one moment he was in contention to take that catch.
What a shot. What a shot. That's Munde.
Even better surface to bat on, and we'll see plenty of shots like that in the gap, and Shrikant Munde will carve out another boundary. Takes the single. Well played, young man. Siddharth Mhatre gets his second 50 in the Maharashtra Premier League. He likes to bat under pressure. The first one also last year came in a playoff game, and this one, of course, eliminator. You had wickets falling, but he's batted really well.
Gone for it. Fielder there, but he'll be a mere spectator. 6 runs for Munde. Catch it.
Turn once again, and Murtaza Trankwala at extra cover will not make a mistake. Well bowled, young man, Hitesh Walunj.
लेकिन अच्छा काम किया, अच्छे रन्स बनाए, 24 रन बनाए, 142 for 6.
157 runs in the previous 10 occasions, strike rate of close to 185, best of 59, no doubt. It was in the slot and powerfully struck by the young man as well. He times the cricket ball really well, not powerfully built, but has the game to up the ante when he wants to. Even better, high and handsome. What a catch! What a catch by Pranay Singh! Hardly any time, but to react at a slight fumble, the lucky fumble, and in the second attempt.
64 in pressure situation of 36 deliveries, 158 for 7.
Shreyas Chavan, the new man in.
Going for it. Oh! Tried for a catch there. This is where the fielder has to be careful. If he can't reach it, need to stop that boundary. Oh, outside edge. Going for a big one. It's Hanganekar's day.
Bowled really well. Once again, the back of the length, the hard length, the effort ball, getting the outside edge. Rajwardhan picks up his 4th. It's 165 for 8. Atharva Dakwe, the new man in. Finds the middle of the bat and dispatches that in style.
Gone for it again. You'll have to take this single this time. Try the second. He slipped there. Throw towards the keeper. He should be gone because he had no bat in his hand. Oh, if he had the bat, probably the story would have been different. They'd have to go back.
Run out. Swing and a miss, and he hits. So you won't get the additional run. The CSK side won the toss and asked the Tuskers to go out there and bat first. It's 173 to now get into the second qualifier. You need 174.
The target for Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings to book their place in the second qualifier will be 174 in 20 overs. Om Bhosle has scored 379 runs, the top scorer in the second season of the Maharashtra Premier League. Murtaza Trankwala, opening batting pair, 241 at a strike rate of 133.1 this season. Nihal Tusamad opening the bowling, 11 wickets this season. And he has done that! Nihal Tusamad has picked up the big wicket of the top run getter this season, that of Om Bhosle. What a ball this is.
Om Bhosle ने आज कुछ किया नहीं. Pavilion में वापस 3 पर 1 CSK.
Saurabh Navle is the new batter.
Again, बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पर नावले का सीधा.
Good shot this over the infield.
यहाँ पे बड़ा शॉट. हाँ में गेंद यहाँ पर श्रेयस चौहान उसके नीचे है और ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन कैच. आउटस्टैंडिंग कैच. मुर्तुजा ट्रंकवाला आउट हो गए.
Big wicket, both the openers back in the hut. Murtaza Trunkwala out for 1, 17 for 2. Onkar Khatpe is the new batter. It was a free hit and that will be a 6. Oh, inside edge will be a boundary.
शॉर्ट गेंद सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में. अथर्व डाकवे ने ये कैच पकड़ा और ये इस मैच की पहली विकेट उमर शाह की.
Saurabh Navle will have to walk back. He scored 15, 30 for 3 are CSK. Digvijay Patil walks out to bat. 128.2 the strike rate, 223 runs this season. Outside edge, it will run to the boundary. Down the leg side, that is strays this time.
Oh, well played. Well timed.
And this misfield now.
Oh, well placed. Well placed. Oh, well bowled, boy. Patil was playing well. Digvijay Patil gone for 34. It's 74 for 4.
Saurabh Singh for the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. And Saurabh Singh, the first ball, gets off the mark with the boundary.
He's gone for it. In the air. Gone. This is what we were talking about. Yes. Well done.
88 for 5 CSK.
Digvijay Jadhav for CSK.
ये बड़ा शॉट, बढ़िया शॉट, 6 रन.
फिर से बड़ी शॉट लगाने की कोशिश, बॉल हवा में. आउट. Great comeback by Dakwe. Good delivery. Digvijay Jadhav gone for 8. 100 for 6 now CSK.
Nicely played in the gap and it will be a boundary. Is it coming? No, or is it? Oh yes, firmly connected. He has one over to Bobol, connected well. Rajwardhan Hangargekar has come out. Shamsuzam Akazi is retired out. Goes straight up, does not have the distance. Umar Shah calls, he's under it and he's dropped it. Just popped out. Didn't judge it well, but that's just 1 run. Full toss, fielder will not reach there. In the first 6 overs, it looked a little tough. Chance to fielders. Who's calling? Oh, that's fine. They can just chill a little. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. Yes, all of them saying, call kara.
Finally, Shrikant Munde, really well bowled.
Yes, so there goes Onkar Khatpe. Scored 43 runs. An appeal, a request, more so by Shrikant Munde, but that's victory for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. They have defeated the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings in the all-important eliminator in the knockout. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings restricted to 141. The eliminator won by the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers by 32 runs and they are in the second qualifier.